Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make your Windows look better. First we have to download this app called Rectify. I'll put the link in the description to download this file. After downloading that file from the website, double click this file. Next click install. Click agree. Then click all these tick boxes. Click next. Then you have to untick this create restore one because that will eat up your space. This may take some time. After restarting, you will see this screen. You can see your Windows is rectified. Now we will talk about pros and cons. Say goodbye to a bland Windows. It offers a sleek and user-friendly interface, making navigation effortless. While it claims to optimize performance, some caution, especially if you heavily rely on a web application. Personalize your Windows to reflect your style. Rectify provides a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tailor your workspace according to your preferences. Examine the cons. Despite its benefits, Rectify has its drawbacks. Performance issues. Some users have experienced occasional crashes after installing Rectify, indicating potential performance optimization issues. Interface glitches. Certain users have encountered problems with input boxes on website where the text appears black and solid, hindering readability. In conclusion, Rectify offers a promising solution for enhancing your Windows 11 interface. While it may have some performance issues and interface glitches, it remains a valuable tool for normal users seeking to improve their digital workspace. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates. And remember, subscribing also safeguards your computer from my mischievous hacking antics.